Most people think they can't run for more than 5 minutes because they are out of shape. No, I don't think that's true. I think it's something deeper. Because when I first started running, I didn't stop because I was tired. I stopped because I didn't actually want to keep going. I couldn't even imagine myself running for more than 15 minutes. Not because I physically couldn't, but because in my head, that just wasn't me. I remember people asking me going out for a run. I would say yes, but not because I wanted to run. And I just wanted to hang out. I wanted to be part of the group. But the moment the run started, I was already thinking, how long is it going to take? When can I stop? And if that's a reason, you're not lasting for more than 5 minutes. The real reason you can't run for more than 5 minutes is not physical, it's identity. You don't see yourself as a runner. So your brain treated running like something you shouldn't be doing. Every discomfort, every signal gets interpreted as stop. This isn't us. It's not because your body can't continue, it's that your identity won't allow it to happen. And I didn't realize this at first. I thought I just need to push harder, run slower, fix my breathing, and none of that stuck. Because deep down, I still doesn't have a reason to run. Let me prove it to you. This has nothing to do with running. And by the way, if you're new here, my name is Felix. I'm not a coach. I'm not an elite runner. I'm just someone who struggled with this exact thing and slowly figure out how to actually stick with running. And what I'm trying to do here is help people like you cut through all the noises so you don't quit before it starts working. And if that's something you're trying to figure out too, just like this video or subscribe to this channel because it really helps to reach more people who are probably stuck at that 5-minute mark. Think about this. If you decide to get a dog, do you think about the hard things first? Picking up their poop, waking up early, training them, taking care of them when they're sick? No. You think about what you are getting. The companionship, the joy, something meaningful to you. So all the hard parts, they don't feel like suffering. They feel like that's part of it. Same thing with anything you actually want. If you want to win, you don't say, I want the result but not the pain. And that's not how it works. The pain only makes sense when the reward is clear. And that's the problem with running for most people. It's easy to start, so it feels like it should be easy to get better. But it's not. Running might be one of the simplest things to begin, but one of the hardest things to commit to. And this isn't just about running. This is about how you approach anything in life. If you don't have a reason, you always quit early. Not because you're weak, but because it doesn't make sense to continue. And this is the part most people don't want to hear. You don't quit running because it's hard. You quit because it doesn't feel like you. So next time you go out for a run, don't think about the pacing. Don't think about the distance. Ask yourself this: what do I actually get from finishing this run? And be very specific. Maybe it's I feel proud after. I log in Strava. I prove it to myself I didn't quit. Something that you can actually see the moment you finish. Because we don't push through pain for no reason. We push through pain for something we actually want. If you can't answer that, then yeah, you're probably stopping at 5 minutes. And for me, it became very, very clear. I had lung issue growing up, and I realized if I don't do something about it now, this is going to follow for the rest of my life. Running became the run thing that gave me control over that. And the second thing was that running completely changed how I travel. I'm not just going somewhere anymore. I'm going there for a race, to meet people who think the same way, to experience something I would never experience before. Without running, those two things doesn't exist in my life. So for me, running isn't optional. So here's what I'll ask you. What's your reason? Not the one that sounds good, the one that actually matters to you. Because once you have that, 5 minutes won't be your limit anymore. My name is Felix, just figuring things out one run at a time. I'll see you on the next one.